Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone mobile not opening. It is stuck or there's a crash or you're just stuck in the loading screen. Now what we need to do is we actually need to just go ahead and get out of our Warzone right here. And then we need to make sure that our Warzone mobile is up to date. So to do that, just go ahead and access your Play Store right here and then just search up your Call of Duty Warzone mobile. If you can see the update button right here, it means that you are not on the latest version, and you can just go ahead and click update to get the latest version. If it says play like this one right here, it means that you are on the latest version. Another thing that we can go ahead and do is to go ahead and clear our cache of the app itself. So to do that, all we need to do is go into our settings right here, and then we're gonna go and scroll all the way down until we can see apps. Now we're gonna scroll all the way down and look for COD Warzone right here, and then you should be able to see storage right here. Now just go ahead and clear the data by clicking clear data on the bottom left, and then just go ahead and click on delete. Now this will go ahead and remove the cache that we have on the COD Warzone. Now just go ahead and open up the Warzone app once again, and this should go ahead and open up the Call of Duty as if it is a brand new updated app right here. Now just go ahead and log back in and you should have this problem fixed. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.